The questioner needs to ask, is there a complete treatment for psoriasis? So, what I understand about the question is that a patient knows that psoriasis is a lifelong disease, and as it is written in the modern scientific medicine books, that psoriasis is a lifelong disease, it can never be cured, but it is treatable. That is, when the symptoms are worst, they can treat it, they can minimize it, and the patient may remain free of psoriasis for some time, and it can come back and they can get the treatment, or they can continue the treatment, and as long as they take the treatment they have less psoriasis or they are free of psoriasis. As soon as they stop the treatment, the psoriasis will come back. Moreover, the drugs, if they are taken for a long time, they do have serious side effects on the vital organs like kidneys and liver, and all this status of health of liver must be frequently checked during the treatment, and if found they are damaged, one has to stop the treatment or change the drugs. So in this scenario, when the patient goes with this experience, he thinks or he is tired of taking treatment, and he is tired that if he is not getting a result irrespective of the treatment, and he asks, is there a complete treatment? That means whether he can get complete relief from psoriasis and he can stop the medicine and remain healthy. As far as it is written in the modern textbook, it is impossible. But with homeopathy, it is possible. And how it's possible? So homeopathic treatments are based on the patient's treatment, that is on the root cause of psoriasis, that is a defective immunity. And if we treat the defective immunity, if we regularize the immunity in its normal healthy stage, and when we stop our treatment, so we have examples that when the patient has taken a full course of homeopathic treatment, he is free from psoriasis for 10 to 15 years, even if he is not taking any sort of treatment. And there are thousands of examples like that. So this is what one question one asks. And my answer is that if today you ask me, is there a cure? It is permanent treatment. It is not right scientifically to answer that any disease has a cure, that is complete cure by any medicines, because we are still in the research mode. We are still doing the research on it. So we do have a large number of patients who have completed the course, and at least for 10 to 15 years they do not have a relapse of psoriasis. Even if they have, it's a small one, and taking a treatment for a few months it goes away. This I call as a cure, because in majority of the diseases like cancer, it is said that cancer is curable if detected early. And what is a cure? That is 5 years of life after the treatment of cancer is a cure. So when my patients are free for more than 10 years without any treatment, isn't it a cure of psoriasis? So definitely homeopathy do have a complete treatment for psoriasis, and there are patients who have experienced the complete treatment, and if you wish you can go for homeopathic treatment. But I warn here, homeopathic treatment is not just for a temporary relief from psoriasis patient. If you want to really get the full effect of psoriasis, you need to continue the homeopathic treatment for minimum 1 to 3 years, until the doctors asks you to stop the treatment and he tests you without the treatment. The same system we follow in our clinic, that when we find a patient who is free of psoriasis for 6 months at stretch, no new symptoms, we ask the patient to stop the treatment for 6 months, call him back in 6 months. If we still notice that he doesn't have any psoriasis symptoms, like that we call him for 2 or 3 times, that is 1.5 to 2 years. And if we find that there is no psoriasis, we ask him, now we are sure you can stop the treatment and you be free, be connected with us, come to us with 6 months and 6 months or 1 year, and at least let us know that you are free of psoriasis. And there are a lot of patients in our contact who are like that, and they do not have psoriasis for this long 10 to 15 years. And this may happen with homeopathy. and definitely it is a cure or complete treatment for psoriasis in homeopathy. Thank you.